Our main goal when we started DIYauto.com is to make automotive information easy to find. That is why we built multiple ways of navigating the site, so you can get the info you need when you need it. You can see all the latest builds, DIYs, and rides straight from the homepage. To see everything, you can click View All at the bottom of the list, or click Menu, then Browse to view a list of all the different article types. Filters at the top of the page let you sort by make and model, as well as rating or when it was updated. To navigate to a specific vehicles page, click Menu, choose your vehicle, then the make of the vehicle that you want to see. This takes you to a page with all the vehicles that manufacturer made. A filter lets you sort by a specific model. Click the generation to open the vehicle page. This page has all the information about that vehicle, including a photo gallery, hard data, user rides, builds, DIYs, videos, and more. As a user, you can easily add information directly to the vehicle page. Links at the top of the page allow you to easily navigate across the generations of that vehicle. Now you can navigate DIYauto.com, the site that puts automotive information at your fingertips.